Hi, I'm Peter Thomas of Beverly Vacuum Cleaner. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Miele S6 Onyx. Unlike Grandma, who had just a simple carpet tool to clean her carpets, the Miele Onyx has an air-driven turbo brush. Deep down dirt, no problem. Pet dander, no problem. It's an aggressive brush roll. It's not going to hurt your carpet, your rugs. It's easy to use. It's lightweight. Powerful vacuum cleaner, all metal motor, great filter system. You could put a HEPA filter on it if you want, it's optional. You can see the Miele Onyx vacuum cleaner at Beverly Vacuum Cleaner, 414 Rintoul Street in Beverly, Massachusetts. The phone number is 978-927-8003, or catch me on the web, beverlyvacuum.com.